Welcome to our exploration of how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing automation. In today's fast-paced world, businesses and individuals alike are seeking smarter, more efficient ways to complete tasks. AI-driven automation is at the forefront of this transformation, enabling machines to learn, adapt, and perform complex processes with minimal human intervention. From manufacturing lines to digital workflows, AI is not just a futuristic concept, it's already reshaping the way we work and live. Let's dive into the world of AI in automation and discover how it's making a difference across industries. Artificial intelligence in automation refers to the use of intelligent systems that can perform tasks traditionally done by humans. These systems leverage machine learning, natural language processing, and advanced algorithms to analyze data, make decisions, and execute actions. Unlike traditional automation, which follows fixed rules, AI-powered automation can adapt to new information and changing environment. This flexibility allows organizations to streamline operations, reduce errors, and improve productivity. Understanding this distinction is key to appreciating the full potential of AI in automation. Journey of automation began with simple mechanical devices, evolving over centuries into the sophisticated systems we see today. Early automation relied on repetitive, rule-based processes such as assembly lines in factories. With the advent of computers, automation became more complex, handling data and digital tasks. The integration of AI marked a turning point, enabling machines to learn from experience and improve over time. This historical context helps us appreciate how far automation has come and the pivotal role AI now plays. Several core technologies drive AI in automation. Machine learning allows systems to recognize patterns and make predictions. Natural language processing enables machines to understand and respond to human language. Computer vision gives machines the ability to interpret visual information. Together, these technologies empower automated systems to handle a wide range of tasks, from sorting products on a conveyor belt to analyzing customer feedback. The synergy of these tools is what makes AI-powered automation so powerful and versatile. Manufacturing is one of the earliest and most significant beneficiaries of AI-driven automation. Robots equipped with AI can assemble products, inspect quality, and even predict maintenance needs. These intelligent machines work alongside humans, increasing efficiency and reducing workplace injuries. By automating repetitive and dangerous tasks, manufacturers can focus on innovation and quality improvement. The result is faster production, lower costs, and higher product standards, all thanks to the integration of AI in automation. Logistics and supply chain management have been transformed by AI-powered automation. Intelligent systems optimize routes, manage inventory, and predict demand, ensuring goods are delivered efficiently and on time. Automated warehouses use AI-driven robots to pick, pack, and ship products with remarkable speed and accuracy. This not only reduces operational costs but also enhances customer satisfaction. The seamless coordination enabled by AI is setting new standards for the logistics industry worldwide. Healthcare AI-driven automation is saving lives and improving patient outcomes. Automated diagnostic tools analyze medical images and data to assist doctors in making accurate diagnoses. AI-powered robots perform delicate surgeries with precision, while virtual assistants help manage patient records and appointments. These innovations free up healthcare professionals to focus on patient care, reduce errors, and streamline hospital operation. The impact of AI in healthcare automation is profound and growing every day. Retailers are leveraging AI automation to enhance the shopping experience. Automated checkout systems, personalized recommendations, and smart inventory management are just a few examples. AI analyzes customer behavior to optimize store layouts and product offerings. Behind the scenes, automated supply chains ensure shelves are always stocked. This technology not only improves efficiency but also creates a more engaging and convenient experience for shoppers, setting new expectations in the retail sector. Finance industry is rapidly adopting AI automation to streamline operations and enhance security. Automated systems detect fraudulent transactions, process loans, and manage investments with speed and accuracy. Chatbots powered by AI assist customers around the clock, answering questions and resolving issues. By automating routine tasks, financial institutions can focus on providing better services and developing innovative products. AI is making finance more accessible, efficient, and secure for everyone. AI automation is making its way into our homes, creating smarter and more convenient living environments. Voice-activated assistants control lights, appliances, and security systems. Automated routines adjust temperature and lighting based on your preferences and daily habits. These intelligent systems not only save time but also improve energy efficiency and home security. As AI continues to evolve, the possibilities for smart home automation are virtually limitless. Agriculture is embracing AI automation to increase yields and reduce resource use. Smart sensors monitor soil conditions, while drones equipped with AI analyze crop health from above. Automated irrigation systems adjust water delivery based on real-time data, ensuring optimal growth. These technologies help farmers make informed decisions, reduce waste, and improve sustainability. AI-driven automation is paving the way for a more efficient and environmentally friendly agricultural industry. AI-powered automation is transforming customer service across industries. Chatbots and virtual assistants handle inquiries, resolve issues, and provide personalized recommendations around the clock. Automated systems analyze customer feedback to identify trends and improve service quality. This not only reduces wait time but also allows human agents to focus on more complex tasks. The result is faster, more efficient, and more satisfying customer experiences. Energy sector is leveraging AI automation to optimize production and distribution. Smart grids use AI to balance supply and demand, reducing waste and improving reliability. Automated systems monitor equipment health and predict maintenance needs, preventing costly outages. Renewable energy sources like wind and solar benefit from AI-driven forecasting and management. These advancements are making energy systems more efficient, sustainable, and resilient. AI automation is revolutionizing transportation, making travel safer and more efficient. Self-driving vehicles use AI to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and respond to changing conditions. Automated traffic management systems optimize flow and reduce congestion. In public transit, AI helps plan routes and schedules, improving reliability for commuters. These innovations are shaping the future of mobility, offering new levels of convenience and safety. AI-powered automation is enhancing education by personalizing learning experiences. Intelligent tutoring systems adapt to each student's needs, providing targeted feedback and resources. Automated grading saves teachers time, allowing them to focus on instruction. AI also helps identify students who may need extra support, ensuring no one is left behind. These tools are making education more accessible, effective, and engaging for learners of all ages. Entertainment industry is embracing AI automation to create more immersive experiences. AI algorithms recommend movies, music, and games tailored to individual preferences. Automated editing tools streamline video production, while AI-generated content opens new creative possibilities. These technologies are not only enhancing entertainment but also transforming how content is produced and consumed, making it more personalized and engaging. AI-driven automation is streamlining human resources processes. Automated systems screen resumes, schedule interviews, and even conduct initial assessments. AI analyzes employee data to identify trends and improve retention strategies. By automating repetitive tasks, HR professionals can focus on building relationships and fostering a positive workplace culture. This shift is making HR departments more efficient and responsive to organizational needs. Marketing teams are using AI automation to reach the right audience at the right time. Automated tools analyze consumer data, segment audiences, and deliver personalized messages across multiple channels. AI-powered systems optimize ad placements and measure campaign performance in real time. This data-driven approach increases engagement, reduces costs, and maximizes return on investment. Marketing automation is helping brands connect with customers more effectively than ever before. Security systems are becoming smarter with AI automation. Intelligent surveillance cameras detect unusual activity and alert authorities in real time. Automated access controls use facial recognition and other biometrics to enhance safety. AI-driven cybersecurity tools monitor networks for threats and respond instantly to attacks. These advancements are making both physical and digital environments more secure, protecting people and assets from harm. Data analytics is at the heart of AI automation. Intelligent systems process vast amounts of information, uncovering patterns and insights that drive decision-making. Automated analytics tools generate reports, visualize trends, and predict future outcomes. This empowers organizations to make informed choices quickly and confidently. The combination of AI and automation is turning data into a powerful strategic asset. Creative industries are harnessing AI automation to push the boundaries of art and design. AI-powered tools assist with graphic design, music composition, and even writing. Automated systems generate ideas, suggest improvements, and speed up the creative process. This collaboration between humans and machines is leading to innovative works that were once unimaginable, expanding the possibilities for artists and creators everywhere. Legal professionals are adopting AI automation to manage documents, conduct research, and review contracts. Automated systems quickly analyze large volumes of legal text, identifying relevant information and potential risks. AI-powered chatbots assist clients with basic legal questions, improving access to justice. By automating routine tasks, lawyers can focus on complex cases and strategic advice, increasing efficiency and reducing costs. Real estate industry is using AI automation to streamline property management and transactions. Automated valuation models estimate property values, while AI-powered chatbots assist with inquiries and scheduling. Intelligent systems analyze market trends to help buyers and sellers make informed decisions. These tools are making real estate processes faster, more transparent, and more accessible to everyone involved. Environmental monitoring is benefiting from AI automation. Intelligent sensors collect data on air and water quality, while automated systems analyze trends and detect anomalies. AI-powered drones monitor wildlife and track changes in ecosystems. These technologies enable faster responses to environmental threats and support conservation efforts. By automating data collection and analysis, AI is helping protect our planet for future generations. Food industry is adopting AI automation to improve safety, quality, and efficiency. Automated systems monitor production lines, detect contaminants, and optimize recipes. AI analyzes consumer preferences to develop new products and reduce waste. These innovations are making food production more sustainable and responsive to changing market demands, ensuring that consumers receive high-quality products every time. Insurance companies are leveraging AI automation to process claims, assess risks, and detect fraud. Automated systems analyze data from multiple sources to make accurate decisions quickly. AI-powered chatbots assist customers with policy questions and claims submission. By automating these processes, insurers can reduce costs, improve accuracy, and deliver better customer service. Construction sites are becoming safer and more efficient with AI automation. Intelligent machines assist with planning, scheduling, and monitoring progress. Drones equipped with AI survey sites and track materials, while automated systems predict maintenance needs for equipment. These technologies reduce delays, improve safety, and help complete projects on time and within budget. AI automation is not about replacing humans, but enhancing collaboration between people and machines. Intelligent systems handle repetitive or dangerous tasks, allowing humans to focus on creativity, problem solving, and decision making. This partnership leads to higher productivity, greater job satisfaction, and new opportunities for innovation. The future of work is one where humans and AI-powered machines work together seamlessly. Communication is being transformed by AI automation. Automated translation tools break down language barriers, while AI-powered chatbots facilitate instant messaging and support. Intelligent systems analyze conversations to improve customer interactions and internal collaboration. These advancements are making communication faster, more accurate, and more inclusive across the globe. Managing documents is easier than ever with AI automation. Intelligent systems organize files, extract key information, and ensure compliance with regulations. Automated workflows route documents to the right people for review and approval. This reduces manual effort, minimizes errors, and speeds up business processes, making document management more efficient and reliable. Research and development teams are using AI automation to accelerate discovery and innovation. Automated systems analyze scientific data, simulate experiments, and suggest new hypotheses. AI helps researchers identify patterns and make connections that might otherwise go unnoticed. This speeds up the R&D process, leading to faster breakthroughs and more effective solutions across industry. Quality control is being enhanced by AI automation. Intelligent systems inspect products for defects, analyze production data, and recommend improvements. Automated quality checks ensure that only the best products reach customers. This reduces waste, lowers costs, and maintains high standards, benefiting both businesses and consumers. Maintenance operations are becoming more proactive with AI automation. Intelligent systems monitor equipment health, predict failures, and schedule repairs before problems occur. This reduces downtime, extends asset life, and lowers maintenance costs. By automating maintenance tasks, organizations can ensure smooth operations and avoid costly disruptions. Supply chains are becoming more agile and responsive with AI automation. Intelligent systems forecast demand, optimize inventory, and coordinate logistics across multiple partners. Automated processes adapt to changing conditions, ensuring products are delivered on time and at the lowest cost. This level of optimization is helping businesses stay competitive in a rapidly changing market. AI automation is boosting personal productivity by handling routine tasks and organizing daily schedules. Intelligent assistants manage emails, set reminders, and prioritize tasks based on urgency. Automated tools help individuals focus on high-value activities, reducing stress and improving work-life balance. These personal productivity enhancements are making everyday life more manageable and efficient. Online platforms are using AI automation to moderate content and maintain safe environments. Intelligent systems detect and remove harmful or inappropriate material, ensuring compliance with community guidelines. Automated moderation tools analyze text, images, and videos in real time, protecting users and fostering positive interactions. This technology is essential for managing the vast amount of content generated every day. Fraud detection is becoming more effective with AI automation. Intelligent systems analyze transactions for unusual patterns and flag suspicious activity instantly. Automated tools learn from new threats, adapting to evolving tactics used by fraudsters. This proactive approach helps organizations prevent losses and protect customers, making financial systems more secure. Recruitment processes are being streamlined by AI automation. Intelligent systems screen applications, match candidates to job requirements, and schedule interviews. Automated tools assess skills and fit, helping employers find the best talent quickly. This not only speeds up hiring but also reduces bias, creating fairer and more efficient recruitment practices. Compliance is easier to manage with AI automation. Intelligent systems monitor regulations, track changes, and ensure that organizations adhere to legal requirements. Automated compliance checks reduce the risk of violations and penalties. By streamlining compliance processes, AI helps businesses operate more transparently and responsibly. Personalization is being taken to new heights with AI automation. Intelligent systems analyze user preferences and behaviors to deliver tailored experiences, from product recommendations to customized content. Automated personalization increases engagement, satisfaction, and loyalty, helping businesses build stronger relationships with their customers. Disaster response efforts are becoming more effective with AI automation. Intelligent systems analyze data from sensors and satellites to predict disasters and coordinate emergency responses. Automated tools help allocate resources, track survivors, and assess damage in real time. These technologies are saving lives and improving resilience in the face of natural and man-made disasters. Travel and tourism are being transformed by AI automation. Intelligent systems personalize travel recommendations, automate bookings, and optimize itineraries. AI-powered chatbots assist travelers with real-time information and support. These innovations make travel planning easier, more enjoyable, and more efficient for people around the world. Social media platforms are using AI automation to enhance user experiences and manage content. Intelligent algorithms curate feeds, recommend connections, and detect harmful behavior. Automated moderation tools ensure that platforms remain safe and welcoming. These technologies are shaping the way we connect, share, and interact online. Despite its many benefits, AI automation also presents challenges. Concerns about job displacement, data privacy, and algorithmic bias must be addressed. Organizations need to ensure transparency, fairness, and accountability in their AI systems. By understanding and managing these challenges, we can maximize the positive impact of AI automation while minimizing potential risks. Looking ahead, the future of AI and automation is bright and full of possibilities. As technology continues to advance, we can expect even greater integration of AI into our daily lives and workplaces. New applications will emerge, driving innovation and improving quality of life. By embracing AI automation responsibly, we can build a smarter, more efficient, and more inclusive world for everyone.